Hello everyone. Sorry it's been a couple of months since I last uploaded. I've been real busy with stuff. As you can see, my room I am right now is being rearranged, which is why you see the TV right next to my door and my dresser right next to my closet door. But yeah, there's been a lot going on. So sorry for lack of content recently. But I hope you've been keeping up with my posts because one of them features features a motorized pack that I got from my siblings. This is Carnival Diesel. Now this is the one that just came out in Walmart, along with Beachy Nia and Percy's Mail Delivery, both of whom I got from Amazon earlier this year. So yeah, this is a new one for me. It comes with Diesel and Carnival detail and two bunny cards. Now I believe this pack was based on some sort of episode where these cards were featured along with other stuff with the carnival. I couldn't remember it. So if you guys know, feel feel free to reply in the comments. There are some instructions which I don't need. Ooh. That was a pretty easy unboxing. So first we got Diesel. Oh, is it just me, or does his face look a bit crooked? I'm not sure if it's meant to be like that, or it could be a slight error. Feel free to tell me. I don't know if the face was meant to be like this or not. But anyways, here's Diesel and Carnival detail. Longer coupling, which I'm going to keep for these smaller engines. But for the Tanner engines, I'll just make them shorter so they're going to be accurate. Oh, the face on this diesel is reused from Deliver the Wind diesel, which I got almost 2 years ago. So yeah, that's it on diesel. And now, these two bunny cards, both blue and orange. Ooh, these. Ooh, I think these are adorable. Not gonna lie. I do love the yellow wheels on both. Now let's go ahead and pop in some batteries in diesel. And what a runner. He works. Yeah, I don't have track out at the moment because I'm getting stuff put up. So I'm just gonna have to work with what I got. Yeah, not much to say on Diesel apart. Not much to say on this pack apart from the face on Diesel, which is a bit crooked. I'm not really sure if it's meant to be like that. If it if it is, again, feel free to tell me. But anyways, I think that's gonna do it on Carnival Diesel. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And I hope to see you in more future videos to come. Until then, see you next time.